Welcome back all of you to our online platform, that is our school's YouTube channel. So again we are ready with today's video, that is for class 10 and the subject is maths and the chapter is chapter number 2, that is polynomial. Yesterday I gave you the homework that if a general 2-degree polynomial is this ax square plus bx plus c and alpha and beta are the roots of this polynomial, then we are supposed to find alpha upon beta plus beta upon alpha, and second part was alpha cube plus beta cube. So how to find that? To find that, first of all, from here we should write alpha plus beta is equals to minus b upon a and alpha beta is equals to c upon a. That we know already, that sum of the roots is equals to minus b upon a and the product of the roots is c upon a. Now here we will take the LCM, alpha beta. So it will become alpha square plus beta square. If we change that alpha square plus beta square, day before yesterday we have discussed regarding that, so we can write that alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta upon alpha beta. So now we can replace alpha plus beta, that is minus b upon a whole square minus 2 c upon a whole upon c upon a. Now we can solve that. How to solve that? It will become b square upon a square, b square upon a square minus 2c upon a whole upon c upon a. So here we can say that a square will be the LCM and this will become b square minus 2ac and this will become a upon c. So a will cancel out 1a and the answer will be b square minus 2ac upon ac. So this is the answer for that first one, the alpha upon beta plus beta upon alpha. How to calculate that? I hope that you have understood that the answer is b square minus 2ac upon ac. Now the second one, this side. This side I will give you the hint only, afterwards you are supposed to solve. Alpha cube plus beta cube is equals to, we can write that alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. Because if we open that, we will get alpha cube plus beta cube plus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta plus, and this is minus, so they will cancel out each other and we will be there only with alpha cube plus beta cube. So here what we have to do? Again alpha plus beta minus b upon a whole cube minus 3 alpha beta c upon a into minus b upon a. Again we have to solve. That will be, now cube is there, the sign will be there, minus b cube upon a cube minus minus into minus plus 3 bc upon a square. So we will get a cube is the LCM and minus b cube plus 3 abc. So this is the answer for that. I hope that you have understood. We have to means whatever we have to calculate, we are supposed to form convert that into the form of alpha plus beta or alpha beta, क्योंकि हमें इन दोनों की ही वैल्यू पता है, अल्फा प्लस बीटा की और अल्फा बीटा की. At the same time we are supposed to discuss one more question. The question is that if alpha and beta are the roots of the polynomial fx is equals to f of x is equals to x square minus 5x plus k. Alpha and beta are the roots of this polynomial, and this is also given that alpha minus beta is equals to 1. Alpha minus beta is equals to 1. So we are supposed to find the value of k. So if alpha and beta are the roots of this polynomial, we can say that alpha plus beta is equals to minus b upon a means minus 5 upon a means 1, so it will be plus 5, and alpha beta is equals to c upon a means k upon 1, that is k. So this is given alpha minus beta equals to 1. Squaring both sides, alpha minus beta का whole square, we will get alpha square plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta is equals to 1. At the same time, in the previous question yesterday, we have discussed that alpha square plus beta square is alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta minus 2 alpha beta is equals to 1. Now it becomes alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta is equals to 1. Now we can substitute the values. Alpha plus beta means 5 square minus 4 into alpha beta is k is equals to 1. 5 square means 25 minus 4k is equals to 1. Minus 4k is equals to 1 minus 25. Minus 4k is equals to minus 24. Minus cancel out, minus k is equals to 4 is 24. Like this we can solve. One more method can also be there. One method is that we can solve using this. Second method we can use this was given alpha minus beta is equals to 1, and we know that alpha plus beta is equals to 5 minus b upon x. So if we add both, so this will be cancelled out, minus beta plus beta, this will become 2 alpha is equals to 6. It implies alpha is equals to 3. Now putting alpha is equals to 3 in equation first, 3 minus beta is equals to 1 minus beta is equals to minus 2, beta is equals to 2. From here we got the value of alpha and beta. Now we also know that alpha beta is equals to k. So the value of k will be 2 into 3 and k will be 6. This is the second method how to find the value of k. The previous method was the longer one, this is the shorter one. So I hope that you have understood what we have discussed today, and I think that you will try the question related to this at home, and you will practice more and more, because this is a 10th class and now not too much time is left. We already wasted some of the time. So from now onward we are not supposed to waste time. We are supposed to practice as much more as we can. And at the same time, what we are discussing, what we are providing the questions, or whether you are having the such type of question, you can search from your book, and you are supposed to try to solve. After solving the questions, you are supposed to take the pic of that, and you are supposed to upload on the school's WhatsApp number. Thank you very much.